Hi guys, welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, and if you're new around here and you haven't met me before, then welcome to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button and make a comment. So this is the art studio, and this is where I run my art classes at the weekend usually. Doing these YouTube videos purely because I'm thoroughly enjoying it, but also enjoying kind of sharing some of my ideas, my techniques that I've learned over the years of teaching, and just trying out new techniques as well. So today we're going to be looking at another technique for developing textile techniques from drawings. So I will show you in the sketchbook what I've been working on this week, and then sort of in about a week's time we will start doing some textile samples. So let's get into it. We're going to be looking at, let's see, my sketchbook. So we've done these ones, as you know, and then we did that one last week. And then this is the one today that we're going to be looking at. If you want to try out lots of different media, you're working in your sketchbook, but you want to keep your drawings quite small and quite controlled, don't get me wrong, they all take some time to do. Shapes of the techniques, then you can kind of pull them all together and the effects are good. So if this is something that you want to have a go at, then this video is for you. enjoyed this video, guys, today. And do let me know if you have a go at any of these techniques. I'm doing some of them, you know, perhaps you haven't had some fun or struggles. I'd still like to hear from you. I upload videos every Tuesday, and I'm starting to do this second one every week as well. I mean, if there's any suggestions about different sort of techniques you'd like to learn within textiles, then again, just make a suggestion. I see whether I can do it or not. So, and I will see you next week.